How to record a VAT payment in QuickBooks. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can record a VAT payment in QuickBooks. Now, to record your VAT payment in QuickBooks, you would have to work with your taxes account or the taxes tab, and taxes tab is only available for those using the paid version of QuickBooks. Okay, for you to be able to record anything related to tax, you'd have to upgrade to the paid version. Currently, I am on the free version, and so you'll notice that there is nothing like the tax tab on this page at all. So after you've upgraded your account, you'll be able to locate your tax tab. After you've located it, you'll take it to the tax page. Now to locate it easily, move to the right side of the screen, click on the magnifying glass icon, which represents the search button, and just type out tax. Okay, so after typing out tax, you will see the different options containing your tax. So you can just go ahead and select the one that appeals to you. And if the page is displayed, that means that you can easily access it. But for me, I can only access tax as reports. I cannot really do anything with it because I have not upgraded my account. So after upgrading your account and taken to the tax page, you'll see several options such as several options such as your VAT. Just select your VAT, which is the VAT. After selecting VAT, you would have to find the specific VAT return you want to record a payment for. This is because after selecting VAT, you'll see other options on the VAT page. All right, different VAT returns that you've made. So select the specific one. After selecting the specific one, by the right side of the return, you'll see a drop down menu. All right, click on it, and after clicking on it, in the options displayed, choose record payment. All right, then select the bank account you've used to pay, and then enter in the payment details and amount in the appropriate field. You can add a memo or an attachment if you want. Then you click on save, and then just like that, the VAT would be recorded. But the major thing to do is to locate your tax tab as first, then select VAT, then go ahead, select the specific VAT return you want to make a record for, and you are good to go. I hope this tutorial has been useful to you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.